In the ever-evolving world of automotive innovation, a series of groundbreaking concept cars has emerged, challenging the boundaries of design, technology, and imagination. These 13 remarkable vehicles provide a glimpse into the future of mobility, combining sleek electric designs with autonomous capabilities. Each concept brings a unique blend of form and function, reflecting a commitment to eco-conscious sustainability, AI-driven intelligence, and aerodynamic efficiency. Designed by visionary engineers and designers, these cars inspire excitement for a future where roads become pathways to extraordinary experiences. The Cadillac Interspace envisions luxury travel in a minimalist yet opulent interior, focusing on spatial freedom. This concept car integrates advanced infotainment systems and autonomous driving, enhancing safety and comfort. With its sculpted exterior and efficient electric powertrain, the Interspace demonstrates Cadillac's dedication to innovation. It represents a perfect harmony between cutting-edge technology and refined design, providing a glimpse into the future of high-end automotive experiences. Audi's AI Trail redefines off-road exploration with its futuristic electric design and advanced capabilities. Featuring a glass cabin and large wheel arches, it offers unobstructed views of nature while navigating remote environments with the help of autonomous driving features. The versatile wheel design and quiet electric drivetrain make this vehicle ideal for sustainable adventures. The AI Trail embodies Audi's innovative approach to electric off-road vehicles, offering an exciting look at the potential for eco-friendly exploration. The Audi A6 e-tron and Lexus LFC represent the convergence of luxury, performance, and sustainability. The A6 e-tron redefines the classic estate with an all-electric powertrain and impressive aerodynamics, while the Lexus LFC introduces a futuristic design with a focus on driver connectivity. Both vehicles demonstrate the brand's commitment to electric mobility and advanced AI-driven safety, showcasing the future of refined, sustainable automotive experiences that cater to both performance and environmental consciousness. Other notable concepts like the GFG-style Kangaroo, Mercedes-AMG GT63, and BMW Vision Next 100 highlight the diversity in concept car innovation. From GFG's electric hyper-SUV to Mercedes' luxurious and high-performance coupe, these vehicles push the boundaries of automotive design. Meanwhile, BMW's Vision Next 100 celebrates a future of personalized mobility, blending driver engagement with autonomous travel. Each concept represents the future of automotive artistry, offering tantalizing glimpses of tomorrow's driving experiences. The future of cars is here, and AI is the driving force. Follow us for more information on automotive technology.